Today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacer for truck.
As long as you use high-quality GMC Sierra wheel spacers and install them correctly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, the wheel spacer makes no difference from wheels with a negative offset. The wheel lugs apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. If the wheel nuts are torqued properly, this GMC Sierra wheel spacer will never come off. If you are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of GMC Sierra wheel spacer will be perfect for those wheels. By pushing the wheels outwards, the wheel spacers provide improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road, even when you are driving in unfavorable weather or conditions. When the GMC wheel spacers are combined with broad tires, appearance enhancement is especially effective. When choosing safe wheel spacers, material selection can be very important. Considering the strength and rust-proof needs, brilliant aluminum is more suitable. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are made of Forge 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy. They are high-performance aluminum alloys that feature good corrosion resistance, weldability, workability, and machinability. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged wheel spacers. 10 years super long warranty service, which is safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.